Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making an exhaust video of the current exhaust setup I'm running on my car, which is I'm running the BBK Shorty headers with the Roush Axleback, as a bunch of you know from my previous videos. I've had the Roush Axleback on my car for a little over a year. I have about 10,000 miles on those, and I've had the BBK Shorty headers on them for like 3 months now, and I have like 3,000 miles on them. And I also have a Airaid cold air intake, which when I got the Airaid cold air intake installed, it kind of deepened the sound of the exhaust just a little bit. Not too noticeable, but it did. And today I got some help from my good old pal. This is Matt. Say hi, Matt.
Hi, Matt.
I'm Matt, and this is Matt. So I'm also gonna have a video coming out later, probably in the next couple weeks, a week or so, of our cars racing. And he has a, what year is it, Matt?
It's a 2019 Camaro.
29.
It's 12.
It's 2012 Camaro RS. So I'm gonna make a compilation of all the cars I've raced so far with my car tuned, and his car will be in there. And so yeah, let's get this exhaust video started. And I also have a Bama 91 octane race tune right now. So the tune, when I got the tune, the idle of the car was changed just a little bit. It sounded a little bit different. Like the cold start, it's a little bit more mellow than when it was before with the Roush exhaust and the Shorty headers. Before the tune, it was just like super loud, and now with the tune, it's kind of more mellow, and it's still loud, don't get me wrong, but it's a little bit more laid back now. But the tune kind of changed up the idle and the cold start. He's a fucking pussy. Yeah. I wonder how fast I go in reverse.
What?
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this exhaust video. I know it was a quick, short little video, but I just want to give a little preview of what my exhaust is sounding like right now. So follow my boy Matt on it. Dude, it's not gonna be backwards. I'll just put it right here. It's a cute little Camaro RS. So follow him on Instagram. He helped me out a lot on this video. And so yeah, follow him on Instagram, and then you know my Instagram will be in the description as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video.